I want you to move slowly. Curtsy. 90-90. Stand. Holding it down in. Over it. Get deeper. Sit. Hands on the head. Walk yourself out those legs. Send your weight back into the heel. Take pressure. Exhale, roll forward.
I am very clearly dying. My hair looks insane, but I just wanted to come in and do a quick intro. Don't mind all the sweat. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I know I've been super inconsistent, but I promise I'm gonna get back to it. I haven't vlogged for I posted my Costa Rica vlog and I posted a little quick 5-minute vlog at the beach, but pretty much before both of those videos, I don't think I vlogged. The last time I posted a vlog was like maybe 3-4 months, and from now on I plan on not being as inconsistent. So I'm gonna try and post at least 2 to 3 times a month so I can be consistent, but I will not be leaving YouTube for 3-4 months at a time how I've been doing recently. That's not gonna happen. It's all good.
Oh, that's a did like poems and I want
We're back. I was only supposed to go in there and get 1 book, and this is what I got. All the covers look really good on here.
They're so like fall-y.
They are. So the vibe was like rom-com, like very light and airy romance books, because I just finished reading The Nightingale. That's a very, very strong book about the Holocaust, and it was so good. 10 out of 10. I can't wait to watch the movie, but I really needed to take a breather because it's a very strong read. So that's why we went ahead and we got these. I'm gonna start reading this one first, and it's not that long. It's really short, actually. Let me see. It's 323 pages. Not bad at all. And it's so cute. And then this sounds super, super good. It sounds like a movie. So that's what I did. It wasn't too bad. And they're really cute. And they're very quick reads, so I don't regret it. Go home. Even though we're not going home. We're not going home. We're gonna go to Target, and then we're gonna go to Marshall's, and then we're gonna go home, maybe. And then I'll just record when I start the book. Oh no, because I'm getting the camera. I'm recording on my iPhone right now because the lens of my camera broke, and I ordered brand new lens, so the vlog's quality is gonna change probably starting today, like in a little bit, because I'm recording on my iPhone right now. And then the lens was just delivered to my house literally just now, or like a couple minutes ago. So then I'm gonna go home, we're gonna try it. I'm gonna do unboxing actually here with my phone, and then we're gonna switch over. All right, so the lens are in here with the tripod. All right. Oh, it's not that big. Oh my god. Let's attach it to here.
I know you said that.
Oh my god. Stop. Hey. So this is how I look when I'm vlogging for you guys. Yeah, we're here. And this is a good thing to hold. All right, so the quality of this video is gonna change in 1, 2, 3. So this is the quality of it. It's an 11mm lens, and literally I can be so up close. And it's still perfect. This is perfect. This is really perfect. Are you?
I'm just so happy you guys are watching my sister. I just want to say thank you. Please like and subscribe to her
Got my dog another chore. TJ Maxx is always so interesting because I wear all the time, but I feel like
Yo, mommy.
Your abs maintaining that intentional core engagement. Really come up, leg carefully melted all the way down. This
Oh my god, no, 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 no. Bro, he just licked my book. Oh my gosh, I swear. I came out here to eat my sourdough little sandwich that I made. I made sourdough earlier this morning and I just ate it now with some salami and like, what is that type of onions? The onions and vinegar, and he's eating the plate with the pickled onions. And so I came out here to eat it. I came out here to eat it and to read, and he was downstairs eating his own food, and then my mom just brought him up here, and now he's just acting crazy. He ate the plate. I ate the sandwich, but the plate has like a little bit of leftovers of the onions. He just licked it. He keeps on licking it, and he just licked my book. He's crazy. But as you guys can see, it's really hot today. It's hot today. And it's literally summertime at the end of September, which is so crazy because at the end of August, it was freezing. Freezing. It didn't go up from, the weather was 75 degrees and under. It never went above 75 degrees, which is crazy because I think today it's like 84, 85 degrees. But yeah, I'm just out here for a little bit. I'm chilling before I have to go into work. I think I was reading for a little bit. I think I'm going to go on a walk maybe, or if not, I'm just gonna take a little nap because I'm honestly kind of tired, and then I'm gonna go to work. I work till 1 a.m. today and I go in at 7. It's currently like 5 o'clock, almost 6 o'clock, so I'm gonna use that last hour to chill, and then I'll just read my book at work because I can do that again. I'm just gonna head over to Target right now because I'm up super early. It's really not that early, but it's really early for me. Oh my god, I just almost ran into that car. Off to a quick Target run right now. I just want to see if I'm able to get like a journal because I've literally been reading so many books. Like last week I read 2 books. I finished 2 books last week. The week before that I think I read 2. This week I'm reading 1 and I think I'm gonna finish it today, and I started it yesterday. So I'm like reading books, but I want to keep track of the books that I'm reading. Like I don't want to forget about it. And then also I kind of want to just have a little journal as well, just to keep track of things. And you know, it's probably good to have that.
There's no plastic spoons. Oh, you make it?
Yeah. This is the reality. OMG. Oh my gosh. What the fuck? We're gonna just So I'm thankful that nobody was actually here. No, eso está crudo. I'm thankful nobody was here and that my mom just woke up now because I quite literally made a disaster in the kitchen and I was over my head with this recipe. But we shall see how it turns out. Alright, guys.
her.
Say that to the boys. The boys will be like, oh my gosh, this is the most beautifulest thing I've ever.
We're gonna taste test this.
That side.
Which side? The burnt side? Just bite that side. Bite it.
One.
Can I go on that side? That's what he said. Put your hand down. Ready? Yeah. Make this thing.
Look.
Do that thing that you do over there. Do that.
Thank you guys for tuning into her channel today. She made cinnamon buns. So, thank you guys.
Oh yeah, get your camera.